I'm Nick Federici, and this is Nick is a Better Teacher Than Jake Plaskett. Today, I'll be teaching you Unit 6, which is basically a lot of graphing and solving equations. Let's get started. So first we have 6.1, solving systems by graphing. And basically this means you have to find the intersection, if there is one, to the lines on the graph of two equations. And I'm going to show you what I mean right now. So here's an example. So let's do y equals 1 and y equals x. So first we have to get these, or let's get this one into y equals mx plus b form, which is basically y equals, so x is the same as 1 over 1, x is the same as x, and then plus 0, because that's just implied. And so now we're going to graph these. So here's our graph. So let's do this one first. So the y-intercept is 0, so that's our first point right there. And then we're just going to go up 1 over 1. So up 1 over 1. Okay, so there's our first line. And now for y equals 1, what we're going to do is go, the y-intercept will be 1. So you go up, here's our first point. And since there's no x, it's just a horizontal line across the graph. Just like that. And so to solve these by graphing, you have to find the intersection. And the intersection to these lines is right here. That's the intersection. And that point is 1, 1. So 1, 1. So that's the answer to this problem. Now let's say, let's do another example. You had one that was like y equals 1 over 1 x plus 3, and then y equals 1 over 1 x plus 2. So this would look like, let me do this graph again. Have another graph. So you gotta get up 2 on the graph. Right here's our first point. And then the second one, so that would be up 1 over 1, so like right here, and then down 1 over 1 should be about right here. So that's our line. And the second one, right here, is plus 3, so you go up 3. 1, 2, 3, that's our first point. And since they both have the same slope, but they're different y-intercepts, they're going to have parallel lines that go endlessly on forever. And that would mean that the solution to these equations is none. So the answer would be no solution. And that's our answer. And then also, let's say we have two of the exact same lines. So they're both exactly the same. That would make it infinite solution because they're exact same lines. So our answer would be infinite solution if they're both exactly the same equation. And that concludes 6.1, solving systems by graphing.